Hey guys, John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Today just kind of showing off another cool thing that you can do with the drone. This is me taking off from my driveway. This is my neighborhood. I happen to look outside and there's just this huge plume of smoke and I'm like, what's going on out there? So, that's just what you do. We're gonna put the drone up, go see what's going on, and we're flying towards it, taking a peek at it, and it is a very large abandoned house. Like I said, you wouldn't even know that that house was there. It's blocked by that tree line, and I really even never noticed the thing, but I guess it's been sitting there for 10, 15 years, completely abandoned. And it looks like that's the area right there where the fire started, back in that back corner. That's where it's burning the hottest. You'll see it a couple times throughout the video. And so you can see they got the entire road blocked off. That's Harding Highway right there. And I think later on in the video, we can count 7 fire trucks, I think. So we'll count them. I get another really, really good angle on this video of all the fire trucks and all the safety equipment. But I mean, you can see all the hoses running. It looks like right now they got about 3 or 4 hoses on the fire, 1 or 2 out front and then 1 or 2 out back. See if we can't get a better view, but you can just see that plume right there, how thick it is. Get close up here. Yeah, I mean, it is just burning so intensely. And there's 2 hoses right there on it. They're coming in here. Looks like they're trying to breach right there. And another hose going into the side, another hose going into there's 3 hoses right there. That's where I think it started at, right there, that point. That's just where it's burning the hottest. And you can see they are just dumping water into that window. 2 hoses, they're trying to get that second hose on it, but they got 1 hose on it really, really good right now. Still going at it really hard. You can see, I mean, they're going straight into that window. They're trying to get it, but I don't know. They really needed to focus on the area. Like I said, I'm not a firefighter, but I mean, not trying to be one of those people that watch a football game and be like, why do they do that? But they're doing a great job. They're doing a great job. But the smoke is starting to kind of change direction a little bit. It did settle on my neighborhood kind of bad. You can see right there, I mean, they are going hard on that specific area. They are going really, really hard. That's the area that I think it started in the back part of the house. And this building has just been sitting empty for 15 years or so. I don't know. There's 1 fire truck, 2 fire truck, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. A couple ambulances. Yeah, they are going. A couple of those hoses are going so hard. I mean, I just counted 3 hoses right there going hard. Taking a look at that backside again. I mean, it is just heating up on that backside. All the people down there. That's about all you can do is watch it and try to put water on it, man. They're going at it again. They're still going in that window. Full blast. They're getting a second hose on it a little bit better here, but that first hose is full blast on that area. Oh, man. And it's been a couple of days since the fire, so I still don't have a cause about what exactly happened, but oh man. Yeah, look at that. And getting all this footage was just so cool. Like firsthand, you're getting to see what's happening. You don't have to watch the news. You don't have to watch any of that stuff. Like you're getting it firsthand. You can take footage of this and send it to the news and get paid for it. Look at that. Yep, they're going that area right there. That had to be something back there got caught up. Something got caught on fire back there. I don't know what it is. Look how that hose is going strong. Yeah, they're trying. They're trying. Yeah, look at that other hose. That other hose is going really, really strong too. So that's pretty much what we did this for about an hour, And then after you're all done, you just float on home. And that's it, guys. That's what I like to do. This is what I like to do for fun. And yeah, I would highly advise getting a drone if you're curious about it. I'll put some links down in the description just about a couple drones that you can get your hands on, and I'll do a couple price ranges there. This is a DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I'm a pretty big fan of them. I got quite a few videos just about the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I've been down to Florida. I've put it up in a couple different areas, and I'm having fun with it. I really do like it. So like I said, put some links down there in the description. Check those links out. This is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. I'll see you next time.